I want to hear 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Have at it, boys and girls. Let's go. There, they're just getting acquainted now. Car number 27's not wasting any time. And they're off, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. Oh, good hit by 27. 171's going to crash into 155 here. Number 80 just gets the nail. Oh, another good hit. Oh, they're beating and banging, folks. They're not wasting any time here this afternoon at the Beeton Ball Fair. They're picking their victims early. Number 80 measure 155 got a cab pulling her. 171's into 80 right now. Looks like number 16's trying to get off the wall. Number 27's going to have a big hit here. Oh, just hit 161. Number 16's back in business here. Limping a little bit in the rear. There, oh, we're going to get it. Oh, a little bit of a hit there by 155. There we go. 171 mid business right there, fans. They're just catching their breath here for a second, but you look out, 80 into 171, and we're going to get 20. Oh, 27 wasn't quite sure. Looks like we got a little oil out of it. There we go, look at that. That'll shake the rust off the bottom. 171's going to take 80 and spin him around. Look at that, he's done this before. Another good hit, look at that. 27's getting beat up pretty bad here. Transmission's getting a little tired. I can smell some flux. 171 shoving 80. Oh, good hit by 155 into 27. Looks like number 80's having a little bit of trouble here. Looks like we're down to maybe, oh, number 80's maybe going to get going here, man. We're down to 4 cars. He got some light put back into that number 80 car. Oh, that was a good hit. Number 80 just trying to figure out what town he's in. Got a good hit there. 171. Oh, they're going to sandwich car number 27 there. I'm surprised 27's still going. Somebody's missing a tire, I think, by the looks of it out there. 171, Jason, 155. 155 was able to elude him. There we go, another good hit by 171. Lots of beating and banging action going on here today, fans. We may be down to 2 cars. We got some sheet metal rubbing up against tires here. Tires are blown. And that's it. We're done, guys. We're done. Red flags are out, ladies and gentlemen. Looks like the winner of this heat is car number 171, second place to 155. Right, Bob? Good, thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. That was one great heat to start us off here this afternoon at the Demolition Derby at the Beeton Fall Fair. 5, 4, 3, Customary little say hello. And now we're underway with heat number 2 here in the Derby at the Beeton Falls Fair. Car number 333 is winding up for a big hit. Almost, but not quite. He had good intentions. There we go. Car number 9, we're going to get a hit here. There we are. We're underway. Good hit by 333 to 38. Car number 9 into 333 right there. Whoa, spin her right around. Oh, good hit there, just sandwiched. Oh, that hurt. Car number 9. Yes, guys. There we go. Look at that. Bang. There's a bit of carnage right there between 833 and 12 and a half. They've got lots of room here to get some speed. Oh, little side swipe there. Little racing stripe on the side of 12 and a half. 333's back in action. Looking for a victim. They're chasing each other, being a little bit evasive there. There we go. Jump them around. Goes to go. Car number 12 and a half's got a broken leg on the left rear. That's all right. Just drag it. It doesn't have to turn. He's going to get 333. Look at that. He ain't done yet, folks. He's on 3 legs, but still going. Car number 333 still got lots of strength left. Looking for a victim here. Is he going to be able to get 38? Oh, little touch there. 12 and a half into 38. 333's backing up. He's lining somebody up. He's going to get 12 and a half. Look here, folks. Oh, no, they didn't do it. Disappointed me. There's a sandwich right there. Just shortened up 12 and a half by about 8 inches. There, back at it, boy. I'll throw you into the corner. Look at that. 12 and a half on 3 legs, ladies and gentlemen. Still going strong. Looks like car number 9 is out. We're down to 3 cars here. See, look at that boom. Spin them right around. Look at that. There's a sandwich coming up. Oh, little side swipe there. Dang. Oh, another good hit by 12 and a half. It's amazing how that car's still going. Watch out there, boys. Keep your mouths closed. Yeah, that's it. Oh. Looks like 12 and a half's in a little bit of trouble here in the corner. It's not one to read fire. He's trying awful hard. It could be down to 333 and number 38. They're chasing each other here. Uh-oh, they're getting lined up. Long enough. One of them will get dizzy before. There we go. We're down to 2 cars here, fans. We got car number 333 of Christopher Pierre and car number 38, Jamie Floro. Another good hit. All 333 might be able to line them up here now. 38 seems to be stopped. Oh, there's some movement with 38. They're just planning their kill here right now. I think we're done here, folks. We got a winner. Car number 333, Chris Trappier. Second place to 38, car number Jamie Floro.